Hi, I'm Julie Perry, and I am the Library Media Specialist at Montville High School. You might think of the library as a place where everyone is silent and the librarian walks around, shushing everyone. I actually have a librarian action figure with amazing shushing action, but that's not what we are all about. Of course, this year is a little different, what with social distancing and all, but usually the library is filled with students, and they aren't quiet. They're respectful of the library as a workspace, though. Some students come here to study or pick out books for reading, and some come to collaborate and learn. The library is also used for instruction in accessing print and online resources. We have a great print collection, but we also offer access to a lot of great online materials too. It's my job to make sure students can access information in a wide variety of formats and learn how to navigate, locate, evaluate, and interpret information so that they can apply it in a variety of ways. That hasn't changed now that students have their own devices. I will be visiting students in their classrooms to help support their technology and research learning needs. In fact, I've already started by visiting all the freshman English classes to help students access the accounts and programs that they'll be using over the course of this year. Some examples of other things I teach in collaboration with the classroom teachers: using new programs and apps, research skills like citing sources and digital note-taking, how to avoid plagiarism, that's always a fun one, how to use good internet and database search strategies. Basically, I provide whatever technology and research support students and teachers need. Please check out my website. I try to make sure all the links are there to support students. I always try to provide students with all the information they need for many different things. We have links to a lot of the common programs they use. There are links to help files, links to ebooks and audiobooks if they want to check out digital copies. There are instructions for how to request a print book from our library catalog. And also, they can click on the Any Questions to automatically start a Gmail to me with any questions they might have. If your student has any issues with accessing accounts or programs or using the school-provided device, please have them email me. If I can't help them, I will do my best to point them in the direction of someone who can. Thank you for listening. Have a nice night.